In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to forward emails from Outlook to Gmail. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to go to outlook.com and log into your Outlook account, or you can also open Outlook app in your computer. After you log into your Outlook mail, you can go to settings in the top right corner here, and then you can go to mail and go to roles. And as you can see, you can add new role here. You can click on it and then you can name it maybe forward to Gmail, just like that. And you can add the condition. So you can select a condition. So maybe you can choose from. So you can select one of your email maybe. Or if you want to, apply to all message, you can just click on it and all your inbox will be forward to your Gmail account. And then you can add an action. You can choose forward, this one, forward to, and you can add email that you want to forward to, just like that. And then you can just click save. And if it's turned on, it means your emails from Outlook will be forwarded to Gmail. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment.